So today we created shipping zones, set up free shipping and flat rate, created a shipping clause for heavy items and added local pickup. If anything was not clear, don't worry, just drop your question in the comment section and I will do my best to help you. Hi there, in this video I will show you how to set up shipping zones in WooCommerce. Shipping is a really important part of any online store. So let's get started. First of all, click on add shipping zone. Here just type the name of the zone like Bahrain, USA or Pakistan. Then in the zone region, search and select the region you want. Once your zone is set, click on add shipping method. A small pop-up will appear asking which method you want, free shipping or flat rate. Let's first set up free shipping. Select free shipping and click continue. Now it will ask if you want to set any conditions. Let's choose minimum order amount as the requirement. Type the amount, for example $15. This means customer who spend more than $15 will get free shipping. Click create and save. But what if a customer buys something under $15? We will add a standard rate for that. Click on add shipping method again, choose flat rate and click continue. If you don't want to add tax, just uncheck the tax option. Now enter your shipping fees, for example $3 and hit create and save. Now we are all set. Order over $15 free shipping, order under $15 $3 shipping fees. Now click on the general shipping settings, leave the calculation options unchecked. Under shipping destination, select default to customer shipping address and keep debug mode unchecked. Click save changes. Now let's talk about heavy products like air cooler. For those who don't want to offer free shipping, we will create a separate shipping class. Now click on shipping classes and hit add shipping class. Add a class name like heavy item or air cooler. The slug will be the same, just type it again. Write a short description and click create. Now let's assign prices to this class. Go back to your shipping zones and click edit on the zone you created earlier. Click edit on the flat rate method. Now you will see the shipping class you just created. At the top, add the shipping cost for that class, for example $10 for air coolers. Remove $3 flat rate. In the no shipping class cost section, enter $3 which was our standard fees. Don't change anything else, just hit save. Now here is how it works. Order above $15 free shipping, order below $15 $3 shipping. Heavy item like air cooler $10 shipping fees even if the order is above $15. If you want to allow local pickup, here is how to do it. Click on local pickup, enable it. You can rename the title if you want. If you want to charge for pickup, you can add a fees, but I recommend it set it to 0. Also turn off the tag. Click add pickup location and type your shop or home address. You can also add a small note or instruction. Hit save changes. So today we created shipping zones, set up free shipping and flat rate, created a shipping clause for heavy items and added local pickup. If anything was not clear, don't worry, just drop your question in the comment section and I will do my best to help you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.